Hello folks, Dave Scholke here with the Twin Home Experts here at an emergency gas leak here in Los Angeles and a gas leak repair. We've got the gas company completely shut this building down so there's no hot water and no ranges to cook. So these tenants really want their water. So let's go ahead and show you some of the steps that we like to take to find those gas leaks. Hey, and make sure you leave your comments and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Let's get right to it. All right, folks, so here we are at a 51 unit building completely shut off by the gas company. You'll see a red tag like this and a lock. This lock device, there's no plumber that is certified to remove this. The gas company have to come back and remove it. So we've got to find the leak first. So let's go down and show you how. All right, folks, so typically the gas company is going to go in all the units and check for appliances, check for all the exposed valves. They determined that all 51 units are good. What they did detect is that there's something leaking in here, in this manifold. So with that, what we're gonna do is take steps to isolate the units and this manifold here by shutting down every single valve off. We're gonna do that all the way around. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna focus right here by injecting our air or our UV smoke. So let us show you how that looks. This is the main feed gas valve that comes from the gas meter. So this is gonna have to get shut down. We don't want our smoke and air going past this valve here, so shut that off. That way now we're completely isolating this lower area here. So let's shut this off. Right here, we're gonna need a pipe wrench to do that.
Now you can see your...
All right, folks, so now we've got smoke, our UV smoke inside the gas line. We're gonna use our UV flashlight to really determine if there's any breaches here. All right, folks, you can see we're getting a little bit of smoke coming out of this joint right here. All right, folks, so you can see we've got two different couplings here. These are the couplings that you want to use because they have a proper stop. So when you're screwing these onto the 3/4 galvanized pipe, it's actually going to stop. It's going to be a much better seal. When you use these type of couplings, which is all thread, you're not going to get that stop. These are way more vulnerable to leaking. As you can see, we saw the smoke coming out of here. So we're going to go ahead and take care of this right here. All right, folks, a great option is to install a gas gauge. In preparation of putting air in, you can use a air compressor. And just once you install the gas gauge, you can pump it to, 15, 20, 25 pounds would be perfect. Remember, gas meter is only putting out about not even 1.5 pounds of pressure. So by you putting pressure up to 15, 20 PSI, you're gonna do a really good job with trying to figure out where these gas leaks are. If you don't have a compressor, a pump will also work as well. This is typically used for residential on small lines that are maybe 25, 30 feet. In this situation, because we're dealing with a commercial gas leak, you might wanna consider using a compressor. All right, folks, now that we've got this aired up, it's time to take some soap and bubbles and go through all of these joints. Let's go ahead and see if we can find these leaks now. When it comes to soaping up all of the fittings after you pressurize the gas system, you can buy some of this stuff here. I don't recommend it. It's a little pricey. The other thing is the little brush that it comes with. If you're doing a lot of fittings, it just wears out and it doesn't do a good job with applying the soap around the fittings. So you might want to just consider getting yourself some soap. And you can see for the amount of fittings that we're doing here, look at how much soap we're going to be able to put on these large fittings here. So basically all we're doing is taking the soap, come in a little closer here, Rico. And what you're looking for is any type of bubbling effect. And if we come right here, just apply it all over the place. You never know where a pipe's gonna crack or a fitting. Typically gas leaks though do come from the thread, so you really wanna focus on that. All right, folks, we have it pumped up at 15 PSI, and you can see and hear it. Look at that. Major leak right here. Well, folks, there you have it. We found 3 leaks in this area right here. We're gonna go ahead now and do the repairs. When it comes to the repairs, really consider using gas Teflon tape and pipe dope. I know a lot of plumbers out there are just using pipe dope. It's probably gonna work, but again, if you want that extra little protection, use Teflon tape. Well, folks, hopefully this gave you some insight on how a gas leak detection works. As always, thanks for watching, and remember, hit that subscribe button.